Hi there, Tammy on the town of Como, Mississippi. Not a live video. Just wanted to film a little bit of this beautiful porch and this little Airbnb we're staying at. There's Madeline. She doesn't even know. Cameron's in the pool. Can sit right here and watch him in the pool. Plus, we get to hear church music in the morning. Coming from some bell tower not too far away, about the direction I've got this pointed. We went out and found it last night. It starts every hour on the hour. Of course, complete with splashing, it's a wonderful thing. It's been playing some time. I'm thinking it plays a little more on Sunday morning than it did on Saturday morning. Today's September the 11th, 21 years after 9/11. I'm thinking about it a lot this morning. So I think that's probably it. Oh, there's more. So got to check out of here this morning. We've had a really nice visit. That's about all you really can do is visit, eat, swim in Como, Mississippi. Not a lot here. We did get shoes. So anyway, the miniature horses are still inside, I guess. I saw them earlier chatting with the horses next door. But I have them in this film. All right. Tammy on the town, obviously not camera ready. It's going to be a good Sunday.